Good morning students. In today's class we will learn about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals and how the reactions with acids takes place. Metals, first we will see about the metals. When a metal reacts with an acid, a salt and hydrogen gas are produced. What will happen when metal reacts with acid? It forms salt plus hydrogen gas. Salts are compounds formed when a metal replaces hydrogen in an acid. Different acids and metals react to form different salts. For example, zinc react with sulfuric acid. Zinc is a metal and sulfuric acid is a acid. When they react with each other, they form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Here Zn for zinc, H2SO4 sulfuric acid, they gives ZnSO4 means zinc sulfate plus H2 means hydrogen gas. Second example, when magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid to form magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas. Same here with the aluminium. When aluminium reacts with hydrochloric acid to form aluminium chloride and hydrogen gas. Here aluminium when react with hydrochloric acid, it forms aluminium chloride. With some metals the reactions is very fast and vigorous, while other it may be slow. Some metals do not react with acids at all. Okay. So, about the non-metals, generally non-metals do not react with acids. Okay. Now, we will move on the fourth type reactions, that is reaction with bases. Most metals do not react with bases, only a few such as aluminium, zinc and lead react with solutions of strong bases such as sodium hydroxide to produce a compound of that metal and hydrogen gas. You could perform the above activity using. Here most metals they do not react with bases, but some metals like aluminium, zinc and lead, they combine with the solutions of strong bases and they form such as sodium hydroxide to produce a compound and hydrogen gas. In case of non-metals, the reaction of non-metals with bases are complex. You will learn about them in the higher classes. Reaction of non-metals with bases takes place, but that you will learn in the higher classes. This is the last one, that is displacement reaction. In a displacement reaction, a metal reacts with a salt solution and displaces or the metal present in it. Displacement reactions are explained on the basis of the reactant series of metal. Here this is the reactant series of metals. Here all metals they are arranged like this. The stronger one which react faster, they are on the higher side, and the metals which reacts slowly, they are at the lower side. But sometime lower side metals can also be react with this, so it can replace each and every metal's space. Here silver do not react with zinc. This silver, it will not react with zinc sulfate, so there is no reaction. But when zinc reacts with copper sulfate, to form zinc sulfate and copper. Okay. So, from the above reaction we can conclude that the order of the reactivity of zinc, copper and silver is zinc, copper and this Ag means silver. That is, zinc is the most reactive of the three and silver is the least reactive. Here zinc is the most reactive, but silver is the least reactive. So you can verify this from figure. I think you understand about the chemical properties. Okay. So what are the uses of metals and non-metals? we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.